TSP, WESCO's voltage sag compensation solution, is different. WESCO's TSP classifies automated factories into cases of emergency load, major load, and general load, and provides a reasonable compensation solution. TSP is used in the semiconductor, display, and car industries globally, presenting a perfect solution for problems UPS couldn't handle previously. Let's look at the function of each TSP component. The SCR module uses an offline compensation method and can switch at high speed in the case of an instant power outage. No cooling fan is designed as a natural cooling system. The IGBT module can recharge and discharge via two-way conversion, AC-DC. The biggest difference from the existing battery UPS, ultra-capacitor can be used for a long period of 10 years, relieving companies of the maintenance burden. TSP has a broad range of models. Small and medium capacity models range from 0.5 to 200 kVA. For large capacity models, only TSP can supply products ranging from 300 to 2,400 kVA in Korea, and provides a customized compensation solution according to every load equipment's capacity. TSP has a compact design, allowing for efficient installation in limited spaces. It can be installed anywhere customers want. TSP begins the operation. When power is initially supplied to TSP, the IGBT module converts AC-DC. Energy is stored in ultra-capacitor storage, and load equipment supplies power at the same time. Then TSP approaches an offline compensation standby stage. Then when an instant power outage occurs, how does TSP operate in actuality? When an instant power outage occurs, TSP internally detects the accident, cuts off the SCR module's system voltage, and releases energy stored in ultra-capacitor that finishes compensation in less than a blink of an eye. Through this, you can verify that only the equipment where TSP is installed is working under normal operation. According to customer's site and applicable load conditions, various solutions can be applied, such as individually separated and centralized compensation systems. TSP's user screen is equipped with a black box function to check the status of an accident, and compensation on-site at a glance by storing voltage accident data. In addition, Sag Viewer, a remote monitoring system, can manage accident data via a computer in the office, as all TSP data can be managed without an engineer on site. TSP's black box and remote monitoring functions heighten convenience for engineers and the management environment of equipment and accident data. WESCO leads the standard of new technologies. In the future, WESCO's new technology development will be the new industry standard.